Push! Pull!
Dear Dalton, as I'm writing this for the 150th time, I'm trying my best to hold back tears. This is a day you have had to listen to me talk about and stress about for 8 months straight. Who am I kidding? I was talking about this day before you even bought me this ring. What can I say? When you know, you know.
These last 2.5 years has been the best ones yet. You've pushed me out of my comfort zone. I can't even count the number of things we've done or the places we've been that I've never been to before. And I wouldn't have done it if it wasn't for you.
Come on. She's beautiful.
You just bring a sense of peace and security to my soul that is indescribable. Since you came into my life, Christmas lights shine brighter, jokes are funnier, blankets are warmer. Life is just overall more beautiful and my heart is so much bigger.
I can't picture my life anymore without you or Diesel in it. I know I can be a real pain in the ass sometimes, a little sassy, but I guess when you find someone who is just as much of a pain in the ass and sassy, things are destined to bring us together. I was really nervous to see you, but it was worth it. Is it worth the wait? Like, I couldn't tell you this. Oh my God, I feel so much better. Oh, God, I wanted to show you pictures of this so many times. Sorry if I got tears on you.
It's alright. I think you all have broccoli in your teeth too, but...
Get it? I was eating vegetables. I hate you. God damn it. God damn it. Where's my friends at?
You're so special to me, and you are an amazing person inside and out. And you deserve to be treated the way and reminded of that every single day. And thank you for everything. For being there for me when I didn't even think I needed you. For your patience with me. For supporting my art and creativity. For making an ordinary Tuesday night laying on the couch together something extra special.
I mean, hell, you bought me a plane ticket to Baltimore to spend 24 hours with me for Valentine's Day when I couldn't be home. From dinner that night to leftover steak and Mountain Dew at the fancy hotel with wine glasses for breakfast the next day. I wouldn't change things like that for the world. The day I realized I never want a life without you was that day you had to leave for Baltimore after I hadn't seen you in 3 weeks. You will never know how much your trip means to me.
Promise I won't always be sad when you cut your hair and beard for the summer. And to save at least one corner piece of pizza for you. I promise to not always buy organic groceries and let you have some of the popcorn when we watch movies. I promise to try my best and share the blankets when we go to bed. And I swear I won't always complain about the shows you watch on Netflix.
From our projects being built in my parents' barn, riding around Grandpa's to see the cows, or being a creek mermaid down at the creek, to late nights on the couch watching movies till we fall asleep. They might seem small, but those moments mean the world to me. I just want to thank you for always being here for me, for being my best friend. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
By the power invested in me through the great state of Ohio and my 30-second studies at universallifechurch.com, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Not many of you have had the pleasure of dealing with this diva in the morning. To say he's not a morning person is a very big understatement. Take it from me and Doug, who knew it best not to look at, talk to, get within 15 feet of, or just be in the same house with for about 30 to 45 minutes of whenever he decides to get up. And for this, I want to thank Ashleigh for being the saint it takes to deal with something like that. I hope you can deal with the fact that you'll never make it in as many pictures as his truck, but you'll always be a close second.
Ashleigh, I want you to know I rewrote this speech about 50 times. There really aren't words to define the kind of sister you've been to me. We have our inside jokes and think we're hilarious because nobody else would understand and nobody else gets to see how cool and hilarious we really are. I've had the opportunity to watch you grow and change and evolve into the wonderful woman that sits here before us today.
The adventures we'll go on and the places we'll see. From our first kiss in the Hooters parking lot to now, I wouldn't change a single thing. You're the love of my life, and I can't believe I get to kick life's ass with you. I love you, Panda. Christopher Dalton.